Get your computer or smartphone ready, and let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to this website right here that we're going to be using to make money from watching ads. As you can see, it says get paid to invite friends and watching ads from brands you care about. So click on that and let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to earn about $3 every 30 seconds just for watching ads like this ad right here using this brand new money-making website. Before you visit the website, let me first show you how it works. If you scroll down here, you can see that the way you make money from the website is by watching brands' advertisements, as it says here. The second way to make money from the website is to refer other people to it. As you can see, you will earn $5 for each person you refer using your link. I'll reveal the name of this website in a moment. And further choices, if we scroll down here, you can see the brands that they are currently partnering with to offer you as many ads that you can watch and earn money from. You can also scroll down here and read more about them if you want to get yourself more familiar with the platform. I have also tried this website myself. To establish an account, simply click Sign Up Now, which will take you to this page. The registration procedure is quite easy. All you have to do is enter your full name, email address, password, and birth date. Finally, just check I'm not a robot and click Sign Up once you register. Also, make sure you remember your server number, which in my case is server number 1. They will ask you for it when you try to log in. This website is fairly new. Not many people are aware of it yet, so you better take advantage of it now before it gets saturated. It does not matter where you are from. They are accepting people from all over the world. If you scroll down here, you can see that there are 5 ads that we can currently watch and earn money from. For example, this ad right here will pay us $110, this ad here 62 cents, this other AD 95 cents, and so on. To open one of these ads, click Complete right here. It will then open a new tab. Just go ahead and close that tab like this. Then just click Complete again. As you can see, it says, please don't close this page. But I'll show you a special trick that I use to get unlimited amounts of ads to watch every single day so you can make hundreds of dollars each month on the site. Make sure you don't miss that part. You just need to wait a short while and you'll be taken to a page that resembles this one. This is basically the advertisement you will have to watch, as you can see here. Once it is finished, just click here to skip the advertisement. Now, all you have to do is just repeat the procedure for all of these offer advertisements on here. This website is called CashVib. You can just go to cash.com and then create your account. CashVib is a 100% legitimate website that will allow you to juggle multiple accounts at once. It will tell you not to close the page and then show us another ad right here. All you have to do is just wait a few seconds. Once it's finished, just click Skip the ad on the top right corner. You may have noticed that I only have 3 ads left to watch because, as I said, they only permit you to watch 5 ads daily in total. However, don't worry. I'll show you how to do that and watch as many ads as you can each day. The great thing about this site is that you will be able to watch these ads wherever you are, whether you're on a bus or relaxing in a park on a sunny day. Now let's move on to the next step, where I'll show you how to get unlimited amounts of ads to make the most money. But first, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Basically, what you're going to have to do is create multiple accounts on the website. For example, if you create just, let's say, 10 accounts, you will make 10 times more money now. On average, you will make about $350 per day on the website, maybe a little bit higher or a little bit. The trick here is basically to figure out how much time you have on your hands, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step right now. First, log out of your account by clicking here. Then you want to click here again. The most crucial step is where to get new emails so that you can open multiple accounts with them. And for that, we'll be using this website right here called Mail. This website will provide you with an unlimited number of temporary emails for nothing at all. Remember your server number because you will need it whenever you want to log in, and I would also advise you to save the information of each account you create in somewhere safe, as you can see here. All you have to do is simply double-click your email right here to copy it, and then come back to our website here to paste that email and just fill out this other information once more. We just opened a brand new account, and as I mentioned, you'll get $10 free for each new account you open. You can invite your friends to the site and use Facebook groups that are related to making money online to get traffic from there. Just make sure you go and join Facebook groups that have a lot of engagement, such as people commenting, liking, and stuff like that. On the website, you want to go right here where it says Invite Earnings, and it will take you to this page. As you can see, you will earn $5 for every single person that you invite to the website. And finally, I'm not saying that this website will make you a lot of money to get you to quit your job. That is not what I'm saying here. Instead, you can use the website as a side income source, doing this in your spare time and generate some easy earnings. Click here if you want to make money using Google as well. If you have any questions about today's video, please leave them in the comments section and I'll respond. Also, be sure to subscribe.